cev09001w, part of Orient Mechanical Wide Calendar Collection. Now, I really like this model, and I'll tell you why. It's because it's the ability to use classic, timeless designs in an effective way that really speaks to the wearer. Now, the functionality of this movement is time, date, and day. Now, what makes this watch even more special is that it's a mechanical, self-winding watch. What that means, simply put, is that when you wear the watch, now the movement of the watch just on your wrist, that is basically the power source. The watch, as it's being moved, stores that energy into a spring inside the watch. Now that spring, with the utilization of micromechanics, drives the watch. The thing that drives everything is called a mechanical movement. There are no batteries or electronic components within that design. Now, what makes Orient an even better choice is that they use their own in-house mechanical movements, which means that they design, manufacture their own movements, which strikingly is quite uncommon in the industry. Alright, let's take a look at the dial itself. Now look closely. You'll notice that there's a checkered texture on the dial that works perfectly with this classic design. The even numerals on the hour indices they use Arabic. However, the odd hours uses a bar index. You'll notice how there's luminescent material in just about everything, the hands of the hour, the hands of the minutes, as well as the hour indices. That way, you can check the time no matter what time it is during the day. Now, the day function with the white calendar, which you can see between the 5 and 7 o'clock indices, that will show you the full day, the full name of the day. Now, if you look at dates, which is over by the 3 o'clock position, has a small window, which is quite typical for most watches. Now, the case that works with this whole watch is just so simple, but yet it characterizes exactly what this is, a timeless watch. Notice also the band and how the matte and the finished links, they work almost perfectly with the texture of the dial to give that same contrast throughout the watch. You'll notice also, if you reverse the watch, that the case back is screwed down by design, which is one of the better designs to keep water outside the case. The clasp that we use is a fold-over push-button deployed clasp. This is cev09001w.